7 raised to power s cube is equal to 8 raised to power s squared. What is the value of s? Hi, hello, welcome to Math. In this class, we want to find the value of s from this equation. 7 raised to power s cube is equal to 8 raised to power s squared. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Solution. Seven raised to power s cube is equal to 8 raised to power s squared. Now let's multiply the power of both sides. Let's multiply the power of both sides by 1 over s squared. That is 7 raised to power s cube multiplied by 1 over s squared is equal to 8 raised to power s squared multiplied by 1 over s squared. Take note of this exponential rule that a raised to power n raised to power m is equal to a raised to power nm. This is equal to a raised to power m raised to power n. Then this becomes 7 raised to power s cube over s squared is equal to 8 raised to power s squared over s squared. So this one will cancel this. S squared here 1, here remain x. Now we have 7 raised to power s is equal to 8. Let's take the log of both sides. Log 7 raised to power s is equal to log 8. Then s log 7 is equal to log 8. Now let's divide both sides by log 7 divided by log 7 divided by log 7. This one will cancel this. S is equal to log 8 divided by log 7. But log 8 is equal to 0.9031 and log 7 is equal to 0.8451. Now log 8 over log 7 is s is equal to 0.9031 divided by 0.8451, and s is equal to 1.0686. That is the value of s. We can check to confirm if our answer is right or wrong. To check, and the given equation is 7 raised to power s cube is equal to 8 raised to power s squared. Let's consider the left hand side first. Then at s is equal to 1.0686. Then this is s cube is equal to 1.0686 raised to power 3. This is equal to 1.220. Then 7 raised to power s cube is equal to 7 raised to power 1.220. This is equal to 10.7. Now for the right hand side, 8 raised to power s squared is equal to 8 raised to power 1.0686 h6 square, this is equal to 1.142. Now 8 raised to power 1.142 is equal to 10.7, meaning that the left hand side 10.7 is equal to the right hand side 10.7 at s is equal to 1.0686, which satisfy the given equation. Before you leave, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Before you leave, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.